You already know English. You understand it, you read it, and you even know what you want to say. But the moment you open your mouth, your mind goes completely blank. Not because you forgot, but because your brain blocks you at that exact moment. And if you do not fix this, you will stay stuck no matter how much you study. But here is the truth. This problem has nothing to do with your knowledge. Most people think they cannot speak English because they need more vocabulary or better grammar. That is not the real problem. You already have enough knowledge to speak basic and even good English. The real issue is how your brain processes thoughts when you try to speak. In this video, you will understand what exactly is stopping you and how to fix it in a simple and practical way. Your brain is translating everything. When you try to speak English, your brain does not think directly in English. It first creates the sentence in your native language. After that, it starts converting each word into English one by one. This process feels natural because you have been doing it for years, but it creates a serious delay inside your mind. Now imagine you are in a real conversation. The other person is speaking normally and expects a quick response. But your brain is still busy translating. You are searching for words, arranging them, and checking if they sound correct. By the time you are ready, the moment has already passed. This delay creates pressure. You start feeling that you are slow or not good enough. Because of that pressure, your brain becomes even more stressed. And when stress increases, your thinking speed decreases. That is when your mind suddenly goes blank, even if you actually know the answer. The biggest mistake here is thinking that you need more vocabulary. In reality, you already know enough words to form simple sentences. The problem is not the words, it is the process. Translation makes speaking heavy and unnatural, which breaks your flow completely. There is another hidden issue with translation. Your native language and English do not follow the same structure. So when you translate directly, your sentences feel confusing or incorrect. This makes you stop in the middle of speaking and rethink everything, which again slows you down even more. Because of this habit, your brain never learns to respond instantly. It always waits for the translation step before speaking. This creates dependency, and over time, it becomes your default speaking pattern. That is why even after learning for months or years, speaking still feels difficult. Fluent speakers do not translate in their head. They think directly in English. That is why their responses are fast and effortless. Their brain is trained to connect ideas directly with English words without any extra step in between. So the real problem is not your English level. The real problem is that your brain is using a slow and indirect method to speak. And until you change this habit, freezing will keep happening again and again in every conversation. Fear blocks your thinking. When you try to speak English in front of others, your brain does not stay calm. It starts focusing on what could go wrong. You begin thinking about mistakes, judgment, and how others might react. This fear quietly takes control of your mind before you even say your first sentence. At that moment, your brain shifts into a protective mode. Instead of helping you speak, it tries to protect you from embarrassment. It tells you to stay silent, slow down, or avoid speaking completely. This reaction is automatic, and that is why it feels so hard to control. Because of this fear, you start overthinking every word. You question your grammar, your pronunciation, and even simple sentences. What you could say easily in a relaxed moment suddenly feels difficult. This constant checking blocks your natural flow of thoughts. Fear also affects your memory. Even if you know the right words, you cannot recall them quickly. Your brain becomes tense, and under tension, recall becomes weaker. That is why you feel like you forgot everything, even though the knowledge is still there. Another problem is that fear builds a habit. The more you avoid speaking or hesitate, the stronger this pattern becomes. Your brain starts believing that speaking English is a risky situation. So, every time you try again, the same fear comes back even faster. Fluent speakers are not fearless, but they do not let fear stop their thoughts. They accept small mistakes and keep speaking without breaking their flow. That is what keeps their brain relaxed and active during conversations. So, the issue is not that you cannot speak. The issue is that fear is interrupting your thinking process. Once you reduce this fear and allow yourself to speak freely, your mind will stop blocking you and start supporting you instead. You are trying to be perfect. When you try to speak English, you often aim to sound perfect from the very beginning. You want correct grammar, clear pronunciation, and well-formed sentences. This sounds like a good goal, but in reality, it creates pressure inside your mind. Your focus shifts from expressing ideas to avoiding mistakes. Because of this, you start monitoring every word before you speak. You pause to check if the sentence is correct. You rearrange words in your head again and again. This constant editing slows down your thinking and breaks your natural flow of speech. In real conversations, there is no time to be perfect. People speak quickly and expect quick responses. But when you try to be perfect, your brain cannot keep up with the speed of the conversation. That gap between thinking and speaking makes you freeze. Another problem is that perfection creates hesitation. Even if you know a simple sentence, you might avoid saying it because it does not sound advanced or impressive. You keep searching for a better version, and in that process, you end up saying nothing. Fluent speakers do not focus on perfect sentences. They focus on clear communication. They use simple words, make small mistakes, and keep going without stopping. That is why their speech feels smooth and confident. Perfection is not helping you improve. It is actually slowing you down and blocking your confidence. When you let go of the need to be perfect, your brain relaxes and starts responding faster. So, the real shift you need is this. Stop trying to speak perfect English. Start trying to speak real English. Once you do that, your flow improves, your confidence grows, and speaking becomes much easier. Your brain needs real thinking practice. Understanding English and speaking English are two completely different skills. You can understand everything you hear or read, but that does not mean your brain can create sentences instantly. Speaking requires active thinking, not just passive understanding. And this is where most people struggle. Right now, your brain is trained to recognize English, not to produce it. When you listen or read, your job is simple. You just understand. But when you speak, your brain has to build sentences from scratch in real time. If you have not practiced this skill, your mind will hesitate. This is why you freeze even after learning for a long time. You spent most of your time consuming English, but very little time creating it. Without practice in forming thoughts directly in English, your brain keeps depending on your native language. To fix this, you need to train your brain in a different way. Start thinking in English during small daily moments. Describe what you are doing, what you see, or what you plan next. Keep your sentences simple and clear so your brain can respond quickly. Another powerful method is speaking out loud, even when you are alone. This removes pressure and gives your brain space to practice freely. The more you do this, the stronger your speaking ability becomes. Your brain slowly learns to form sentences without stopping. Consistency is the key here. You do not need long hours, but you need regular practice. Even a few minutes every day can create a big change over time. Your brain adapts through repetition, not intensity. So, the solution is simple and practical. Train your brain to think and speak in English every day. Once your brain becomes comfortable with this process, the hesitation disappears and your speech becomes natural and confident. Now you understand the real problem. It was never your vocabulary or your grammar. It was the way your brain was trained to think, translate, and fear mistakes. And the best part is, this can change starting today if you take small, consistent action. Stop translating in your head. Let go of perfection. Speak simple, think directly in English, and allow yourself to make mistakes without stopping. This is how real progress happens, not by studying more, but by practicing the right way. From today, start using English in your daily life, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Because that discomfort is actually a sign that your brain is growing and adapting. And once this shift happens, speaking will no longer feel difficult. It will feel natural. If you stay consistent, the version of you who speaks confidently is not far away. It is already inside you, just waiting to be activated. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.